Yeah, so today I'm trying to get my car, my little Volkswagen here, not so little I found out because it bumped against this right here. And so I got to carve out a little space so I can turn and then drive out the path that our cleaners did earlier. I'm almost there. That's what I said 40 minutes ago. And then 60 minutes ago. Looks like I've got a bit more to clear. This is the most snow I've ever seen in this part of Connecticut. Many years ago, I saw more in New York, but that's going back to my childhood in New York. Yeah, but this is the most I've ever seen in Connecticut. It's really quite something. The snow's going to go anywhere. It'll be here waiting for me.
We've hardly made a dent. I mean, we can't get our cars out. We're just trying to get our dogs out. So shoveling the front step and down to the street just so they can get out. It's been really, it's tough. We have somebody lined up to plow us, but you know, we can't get our cars out by ourselves. We really need some help. So it's going to be a long haul.